Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. And imagine you are walking down the street, phone is in your pocket, and ding, you just caught a rare Pokemon without even touching your phone. Sounds unreal, right? But in 2025, this is totally possible. And guess what? It works with Android and iOS both devices, and you don't even need a PC for it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to automate your Pokemon Go catching using the free iAnyGo Plus app step by step, all from your mobile. Whether you are grinding XP, shiny hunting, or just tired of tapping non-stop, this is your shortcut. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So firstly, go to the link given in the description or in the pinned comment and download the iAnyGo Plus app. After downloading, open that and you will get this simple and beginner friendly interface like this. Now you will just have to sign up and start using it. And guess what, the best part here? You also get 3 hours of free trial here, which only be counted when you are using actual their feature. Now let's see how we can connect and use this with our Pokemon Go app. For that you will need two devices, one in which you want to use Pokemon Go app automated with iAnyGo Plus, and second device on which you are going to use iAnyGo Plus app to connect your Pokemon Go app. So to connect your Pokemon Go app with iAnyGo Plus, just click on start now on iAnyGo Plus app and select your device type iOS or Android here. After that, go to your Pokemon Go settings by clicking on the Pokeball icon here at the bottom. Then go to connected devices and services and select the accessory devices option from here. But before you connect your Pokemon Go and iAnyGo Plus app, make sure your both devices are connected via Bluetooth. I hope you know how to connect, and if you don't, then just let me know in comments. I will help you with that. So once your devices are connected via Bluetooth, go to the accessory devices options and select the Pokemon Go Plus from available devices here at the top. After that, you will get a pop-up. Just click on pair in both devices and your Pokemon Go app and iAnyGo Plus will be connected successfully without any issues. And now here in the iAnyGo Plus app, you will be able to see Go Plus is active and the status or number of Pokemon caught and Pokestop spins. Once your Pokemon Go and Go Plus is connected successfully, it will start working immediately. As you can see here, in just 10 seconds, I got my first Pokestop spin without even touching my phone or without any animation. Now let's see how we can connect our iOS device Pokemon Go app with our iAnyGo Plus app. For that, just open the app on both the devices and then just click on start now and select iPhone from devices option here at the top. After that, all the steps are same. Go to the Pokemon Go app settings by clicking Pokeball icon here at the bottom. Then go to the connected devices and services option and select the accessory devices options from there. After that, just click on the Pokemon Go Plus in the available devices option and then click on pair and your both devices will be connected successfully without any issues. And as said, it will start working immediately after both devices are connected successfully. And as soon as any Pokemon or Pokestops will come in your radius, you will never miss that even you don't touch your device and that is in your pocket. But make sure the both devices are connected and Pokemon Go app is open. But wait, what you will do after your trial ends? So in that case, if you love this app, you can get its weekly or lifetime subscription from here and it will be totally worth it if you are Pokemon Go lover and don't want to take out your phone from your pocket while driving or walking in stress of missing any Pokestop or Pokemon. Because once your Pokemon Go app and iAnyGo Plus app is connected, it will do all for you. So if you want to try it, go ahead, check out, the link is given in the description and in the pinned comment as well, and share with your friends or someone who might need it. Also, if you have any doubt, ask me in comments. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.